big old head baby. What you doing?
Say good morning.
Okay, hey, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Hey, good morning, everybody. Oh, Lord. Bro, her 7 foot tall baby out here. Y'all see that shit, y'all. Oh, Lord, I'm a fool with it. Oh, I ain't trying to be. I got another one. You know, I keep this channel lit. I'm stay relevant. You did. I don't give a damn. That shit changed. Niggas up there stuck there. Shit, I see that shit this morning. I know what the fuck. You psycho, bro. You psycho, bro. Yeah, what's up with Uncle Roo, y'all? Y'all live, say any one of my lives. It is. Chicken don't chicken. Hey! Woo! I love this shit, boy. I got fucking live. Say they ain't live on the internet, but shit. If you ain't live on the internet, then you want to leave your shit. You did? You leave that shit up there stuck there. Nigga. And then you want to tell people, y'all go check out the live. It's somewhere. Bitch, you deleted. Bitch, it ain't nowhere, you dumbass. Boom, nigga, I keep it 100 on all my channels. You did? Nigga, it's up there stuck there, nigga. Y'all. Ha ha. I'm gonna keep it 100, y'all. Big Mike, bro. Much love, bro. Glad you didn't come in, because, hey, you already know some niggas sensitive. I don't give a damn. All that old auntie shit. Yeah, I love that shit, but I don't know how the fuck I look like an auntie. But say, keep it up there and stuck there. You did? Yeah, we see who deleting shit, because you ain't a man of your shit. You a crash dummy. You did. Don't do that, Mike. Nigga, I keep my shit 100. I don't delete shit. Y'all know that about my channel. So y'all already know. I don't care about y'all still showing love, all that shit. But y'all know I ain't no crash dummy on my shit. I keep it 100. I show love, and that's just what it is. And then y'all know I'm motherfucker paying attention to my shit. Oh, just because I don't keep no shout out. Oh, look who it is. Substance to Mike. No, that's just me showing love, motherfucker. You can't beat me. You can't. Even if you trying to be on your live, trying to kick a shout out to people, motherfucker, you can't beat me, yo. You can't. I keep it 100, nigga. And when it's up there, it's stuck there. So we don't keep that shit lit. You did. So every time you get on your live, please say something. I'ma say you welcome. Cause bitch, I never changed when I was fucking with you and when I stopped fucking with you. I kept my shit my way. So nigga, you want shit to my channel. You did. I am me, bro. Grown man. I own $40,000 ass car with a fucked up grill ass nigga. Get it then. Fuck you, man. Nigga roasting his ass. I know he gonna delete that shit, y'all. So yeah, we don't keep it 100, y'all. You know what I'm talking about? This just entertainment, bro. Nobody ain't gotta kiss your ass because they fuck with you, bro. This shit is entertainment. Nigga, when it's up there stuck there, nigga, don't be trying to take side because you a gun guy. Nigga, do you really act like you need a gun? Really shit, y'all. Do y'all really think? But I'm gonna leave that alone. Leave that alone. How this motherfucker act? Really? Nigga, you ain't good with a bow and arrow. Motherfucker, fuck you mean? I'm gonna get this nigga a slingshot. Fuck you mean? Y'all stupid as hell. Motherfucker talking about he don't fight, he'll shoot. So that mean nobody ain't gotta cause a threat to you. You already shoot them? Boy, you is so pussy. He said that on the live. Anybody saw that live, y'all know what the fuck I'm saying. He even came out his mouth. Shit, if I got beat with you, ain't gonna be no hands. I'ma shoot. Bah, 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 bah. Ain't that the shit? I'ma up that bitch. Nigga crash dummy. I'ma up that bitch.